What is up, guys? Fidget here, back to my banger. I have my fidget spinner right here. This is like a trend that's going around my school and everything. It looks so weird on camera. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of weird dares, like balancing on my nose, like flipping onto these pillows, like throw it up in the air while I'm flipping, and then like when I land, catch it like that. Balance on blah blah blah, and make this fidget spinner versus whatever. So first I'm going to be doing fidget spinner. I'm going to do my fastest, and I'm going to try balancing it on my my lip. Okay, here we go. Oh. You guys can probably see all the I did it, but here, I'll show you. Oh, it's kind of hard to show on camera, so I'm gonna like this. Down. Actually, okay, I did it, you guys. You guys probably couldn't see, but I did it. Next to fidget spinner. Where's my nail on my finger? So here we go. I'm gonna go my fastest. And look. Oh no! Yo, look! It looks so weird. So I'm gonna put that back in. Kind of cracked right there. So here we go. That's fast. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It doesn't really hurt. It tickles. Literally. Whoa! It looks so weird on camera. One more time. Okay, that last one actually kind of hurt. Next, I'm going to be flipping into this. The last one, I was on FaceTime. I look, it's got a thingy. I don't know what it is, but it's got a thingy. I just on FaceTime with my friend Leo. Was my friend Sapphire Chicken. Yeah, we're friends. And I flipped onto this, and I landed on my butt, and it hurt a lot. So whatever, here we go. And I'm gonna use my fidget spinner. I'm gonna spin it. I'm gonna see if I can spin the whole time. I'll tell you if it does. Here we go. And I'm not gonna flip. I'm just gonna like do a cannonball. Oh. And that was really boring. But now I'm gonna do a flip. Let's hope I can land it, people. Here we go. It's spinning. Ah, what? Nope, I'm not ready. Okay, here we go. Oh! Oh, that hurt a lot. I didn't even... Oh. Whew. You guys probably saw me do that, but I didn't. It was spinning pretty much the whole time, actually. Next, I'm going to balance it on my nose. You guys can... I'm going to do what I did last time. Go like this. Did it. Oh, crap. I did it, but I'm going to try one more time. When I flipped, that hurt. Okay, there we go. So the next one I'm gonna do is fidget spinner versus eye. So you guys can see I got a black eye yesterday. So I'm gonna do my other eye where I got my stitches. So here we go. I'm gonna spin it really fast. Yo, that's fast. That's fast. Oh, that hurts. That really hurts. Oh, that hurts so much. Ow. Next, I'm gonna do I'm gonna try balancing it on my foot. Okay, this is not gonna go well, I don't think. No, I'm not balancing on my foot. That's not gonna go well. Camera better. There we go. I'm using my tripod. I'm using my phone for a recorder. Next, I'm charging my phone right now, so I'm gonna do fidget spinner with cable wire. Here we go. I'm gonna spin it real fast. Sorry about that, you guys. Just glitched. So, this first cable wire. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at this. It's actually hitting. I'll play it in slow motion for you guys. So there's the slow-mo clip. I'm gonna do one more. This verse, whoa, it looks so weird. This I'm gonna be doing verse, my, what's it called? Adam's apple. My neck right there. So here we go. Oh, that hurts. Ugh, it hurts my vocal cord. Yo, it's so red. Okay, I'm gonna end it there, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry about that. I'm gonna end it there, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. So, peace.